Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn essential kitchen vocabulary. These are common household items used every day for cooking and eating. Here are the 6 essential kitchen items: pot, pan, knife, spoon, fork, plate. These words help you talk about cooking and eating in English. Pot is a deep round cooking container with a lid. Use it for boiling water, making soup, or stewing vegetables on the stove. Pots come in different sizes for different recipes. Pan is a flat-bottomed cooking vessel. Use it for frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or searing meat. Pans have slanted sides and a long handle. Knife is a sharp-bladed cutting tool. Use it for chopping vegetables, slicing meat, or dicing onions. Always handle knives carefully in the kitchen. Spoon is a utensil with a bowl and handle. Use it for eating soup, stirring coffee, or serving liquids. Spoons come in different sizes for different tasks. Fork is an eating utensil with tines or prongs. Use it for spearing meat, picking up vegetables, or eating pasta. Forks help hold food while eating. Plate is a flat, round dish. Use it for serving and eating main meals like rice, vegetables, or meat. Plates come in dinner size and salad size.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.